There is a time and a place for everything, and there are certain days where you are not going to have time and you're going to be stressed and you're going to need to put dinner on the table. And no matter how well I've taught you that making stock from scratch is easy, you're still not going to have time on some days. And I'm going to tell you, I'm a cookbook author, and there are days when I don't have time. And we rely on canned or those boxed stocks. So I want to talk to you about them and give you a few tips for how to make them taste better. So here are 3 different chicken broths that we bought randomly at the high-end yuppie store down to a lower price grocery store. And the point of this is not so much which brand is better, but to show you the difference in the color. Some of these are thicker, some of them are thinner, and it's important to choose a brand that you like. But look over here at the vegetable broths. This is pink. Okay, and we have different colors of golds here. It just makes me realize how fabulous it is to make your own stocks. But what do you do when you're on those days when there's no time and you have no energy? So here's my tip. Take your box stock, put it into a pot, heat it up. So then think about, how am I using this soup? Let's say you're going to use it for the leek and potato soup. Maybe you want to add a few chives, peppercorns, and a little bit of thyme, because those are ingredients that we use in the soup. So you're going to cook it into the stock. So you're going to take this boxed stock that's got a compromised flavor, and you're going to infuse fresh new flavors into them. With the vegetable stocks, let's say we chop an onion and we add a little bit of celery. Again, you're adding freshness, and you're going to go from kind of a stale box taste to something that really tastes homemade. Let's say you're making ramen, or you're making a Japanese or an Asian dish. So maybe you're going to infuse your broth with fresh cilantro and fresh ginger root. Just chop it up, throw it in. All of a sudden, that box stock, wow, it tastes of ginger, it tastes of cilantro. These are flavors maybe you're going to use later in your soup. So what I'm saying is, think about how you're going to use the stock, and then add some freshness according to the other ingredients that are in your soup recipe.